Hey guys, with winter fast coming, it's time to get your thermal socks out. So today we're taking a look at these thermal socks. So they say they're rated for minus 25 degrees Celsius. Let's take a look here. Well, they feel really nice. They almost feel like silk in a way. Ooh, oh my word, look at this. Wow. I cannot wait to put these on. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Oh my goodness. They feel so amazing. What I love about these, they're not so tight too. Like, we have plenty of room for our toes. I can't stand socks that are so super tight that make your toes like push inward. These are so nice. Like, I'm serious, guys. Like, I don't get excited over socks. I really don't. But these I actually do. They feel so good as well. So you can see how high they go up on us. You know, here's our kneecap right here. So like that distance between our kneecap. Yep, I love these. I absolutely love them. Just try them. That's all I say is get them, try them. You'll see why I like them so much.